Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail, Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at the brand new, beautiful 2020 GMC Terrain Denali trim level, powered by the 2-liter turbocharged engine, mated up to the 9-speed automatic transmission, and of course is all-wheel drive. Once inside the very luxurious Denali Terrain, we do have the power windows, power mirrors, memory seating, power locks, power trunk as well. We do have the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control, forward collision warning, speak-to-talk, dash, and audio controls piloted from your Denali steering wheel. We do have the push-button start, 8-inch touchscreen for your nav, audio, and climate controls. Apple CarPlay in there as well. We do have the heated and ventilated seats. These are our driver select. We have our 4x4 system here, as well as our heated and ventilated seats. Parking sensors there as well, and lane keep assist. Jet black leather interior with the white stitching. Wood trim pieces, signature for the Denali as well. And looking at our beautiful Denali leather heated and ventilated luxury seats. Looking at the exterior of the Denali Terrain, we do have the beautiful 19-inch wheel and tire package that comes on the Denalis here. We do have the keyless entry. We do have the remote start, blacked out window trim on the bottom and chrome on the top. Roof rails mounted up top there as well. We do have the hands-free lift tailgate, dual chrome exhaust tips coming out of the rear, LED headlights and tail lamps, and we do have the reverse camera mounted on the back trunk as well. Jumping back into the interior here, the second row leather 60/40 split, car seat ready, both end seats. Both end seats are heated as well. We do have USB and 120 volt outlet down there. Beautiful moon and sunroof opening up the cab of the vehicle. We have easy quick access, car seat ready there as mentioned before. Folds nice and flat, both do. To access your trunk, we got the power cord there for your heating block, carpeted floor mats, lots and lots of room in the back of your Terrain. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. If this is your next SUV, come down here and see us at GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest, or on our website at gslgmcity.com.